I went downtown the other day, cruised the avenue. Something sure was different. Things didn't quite ring true. Those old familiar faces were gone without a trace. I looked around and all I found was a big old cold parking lot lying there in that place. Someone is tearing down my memories, replacing them with strangers. They don't mean a thing to me. I'm looking for that feeling. Tell me how it used to be. Old men sat on a bench by the bank, but you don't see them there anymore. I guess the past is a luxury we just can't afford. There's more to life than a building or another old cold parking lot. You can't judge a man by the age on his hands or the money that he ain't got. Someone is tearing down my memories, replacing them with strangers. They don't mean a thing to me. I'm looking for that feeling. Tell me how it used to be. Whatever happened to moonlight walks, lovers hand in hand? Ain't enough time for love in the mind of a modern day digital man. It's a silent desperation that haunts my memory. I see husband and wife living out a life on 32 channels of paid color cable TV. Someone is tearing down my memories, replacing them with strangers. They don't mean a thing to me. I'm looking for that feeling. Tell me how it used to be. Someone is tearing down my memories. 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 Someone is tearing down.